Okay, so this is the long footpath. Could go in there and do a bit of detecting, but I won't go further. I'm not sure that leads on to the field, which you're not supposed to go on to. But that on the other side there, not too far from here, I actually found the Roman bathhouse. This area is kind of a little bit swampy. They made it into a nature reserve. But you can still walk down here. I don't know if they've got CCTV on here. No, people have gone through here. Definitely. Right, let's have a walk further down. I'm going to follow the road down anyway, path down, to get to the park and the fields. Do a bit of detecting down there. I don't think I'll be able to do any along this pathway, because you can see it's just all stony. There probably are Roman coins here as well, would you believe? But can't dig it, it's just too hard. You know, if we had a lot of rain and it kind of like softened it up, then there's a possibility that, yeah, I could probably have detected part of this pathway, but it's not going to be possible. No, I ain't going to get my little digger in it. No possible way. I don't like the blueberries that you can eat. And blackberries up there. They're not big blackberries. I want some big juicy ones. This one is all shriveled. These ones aren't very good, they're all shriveled. Because of the sun that's caused the heat waves, it's shriveled them all up. Right, you might as well call this a little bit, it's a nature walk. There's no big blackberries at all. Oh, been the fire here. Now, was that a fire from the heat? Or is it fire that someone lit on purpose? I think there's a way of getting in there, but I'm going there and take a chance. And the blackberries ain't no good. They're all small. Oh shit, that hurt. There's some really big juicy blackberries. Get me energy back up. Right, turn this off and I'll get back to you if I find somewhere I can start digging, catching a little bit. So here's what I built. It's kind of a birds watching thing. No, there will be no coins under here because it's got all this mat in here. So you can stand here and got binoculars and scan around. I think that's where they found the Roman bathhouse over this area somewhere. You just can't get into it. That's usually got water in it. There's no water there now because of the sun. Right, welcome to the Bempton farmlands. Looking newly created wet grassland habitat, a small corner of large scale restoration for Bempton farmlands. I know it goes further up over there. I think that's the where they're doing the tip. The old landfill over there, I think. Just been up there. There's a little pathway out there, but it just comes to a dead end for the trash. I mean, a lot of trash up there. They picked some berries, blackberries, but they weren't all that tasty. I had to spit them out. Now this goes on for about a mile, mile and a half, something like that. So I won't actually walk back this way. We're going to cut through the park and end up catching the bus back later on. Now I bet there's Roman coins along this pathway, but it's just too stony to dig. (10:20). So you could get in there, all that's overgrown, you've got all that land up there. And this is like, you know, nature reserve. I don't know about up there on those hills. Don't know who they belong to. Don't know if it's a council or National Trust or it's private land. Right. Again, I'll turn this off and I'll catch you in a little bit later on. So it's still on a long path. Just thought I'd show you this lake, which I didn't really know it existed, but it does. All the way back up there, goes further on up there as well. Mainly for the wildlife, the ducks, geese, herrings, whatever comes over. Don't even think it tells where we are. Don't know where we are. Great, you know. Still, just keep walking. Keep walking. I'll end up near the park soon, I hope. So I've got to sit down and get stones out of my boot again. So I've got some stones in my boot. It's kind of uncomfortable. I don't want to be sitting down and take my boot off because it's a bit difficult for me to get back up again when I'm sitting down on the ground. Right, catch you in a bit. Well, I've got to get through here. I've just seen a fire. Better report in case it starts flaring up. And I can't get through here. We'll go around the bloody thing. That can flare up in a minute. I don't know if it's set by someone or if it's just where the heat's got to the ground. Well, there's never no one around when you need to fucking help. No way of getting right in there. No way to contact anyone. Can't climb over. There's a hell of a long way walk back around there. So I'll get through here. I'm going to be tripping over everywhere. I'm not going to get over. Good, just done it. Right. I need to go and report it. See what they say. They've been fire brigade. At least I can go over. But how the fucking hell they can't get over there, I don't know. Because that could flare up in a minute. Right, I'll catch you in a little bit, let you know what happens. So here's the fire, which I've reported. They had to phone the fire brigade up. And I've just had to show them where it is. So they're going to get their hose out. Yeah. Oh, just going to have a drink out. Well, I've done my good deed for the day. At least that whole place ain't going to go up in flames. Took long enough. We didn't take the fire brigade long enough, but it took about 5-10 minutes nearly to get someone to come over and to even the fire brigade up. Still. Alright. Right, catch you on the next one. Alright, so they're sorting it out. Just got the ISO I need my details for any report. I said no, so that's good. Yeah, I was just walking through this pathway and I thought I could smell smoke, and I looked over and I could see smoke pouring out. I thought, what the fuck? So I kind of looked over, it wasn't inflamed, it's just like smouldering with smoke billowing out, but it actually kind of like spreaded as well. So I thought, you know, best thing to do is report it. You know, you're not going to see another woodman going up in smoke, do you really? As it is part of Mitcham Commons being up in smoke. See where this leads. Everything now. completely lost, guys. I was looking for the other part where I could go down and do some metal detecting, but I can't bloody find that. Actually, I think I might know where I am, I'm not sure. If the Wandle's over there, then I might know where I am. Let's soon find out. Yep, that's like I'm my good deed for the day. Saved any more brush catching on fire. Yeah, I really don't know where the hell I am. I've no idea where I am. And this is the Wander, I think. I wanted to come down here and walk in the route one day with the old metal detector. See what we found. I'll just carry on over here, see where it goes. It's got to take me somewhere. Don't fancy walking all the way back down that fucking long pathway again. No freaking way. Now the main road with bus stop is way over there. Way over there. Is this a frisbee? It's a frisbee. Yeah, I just had a walk round here, see where the hell I am. Gotta find a road soon enough for a bus stop. If I can find some woodlands, I'll do some detecting. I'm a bit too close to that main building. I can't detect here. I think I'm Bedlingham Park, but I'm not 100% sure. Oh, I know where I am. That's the church, which I think is the place where I was the other day. So I came down and done some metal detecting. This is near Wellington High Street, High Road, I think. So if I'm right, there might be some woodlands over there. I'm not 100% sure. I know there's a main road up there. If that's the church road, that could be church road. What we could do is go back on ourselves down to the train stop and walk back to where that field where the fun fair was and do some metal detecting over there, but it's freaking hot though. It's freaking hot. I might get the metal detector out down these trees. So I'm going to rest first, because I'm knackered. I do need some more drinks actually. I need shops over that way somewhere. Yeah, I think I know where I am now. I know there's a bus stop up there somewhere, but I don't recognise this bit though. I need to sit down near the shade for a little while, so I'm completely whacked out, guys. So underneath a nice thick tree. Pretty big park actually. Yeah, I think I know where I am. I know where I am. I don't know, to be honest with you. I really don't know. Oh well. That might be a 463 going that way. Yeah, I think I know where I am. There's a few coins around these trees. I don't really dig near the path. Right, if I do need more detecting, you shall know later on. So I'll catch you later. Right, I found my way to the bus stop. I don't think I'll do any more metal detecting today, which is too hot, and it's very hot as well, and I'm running out of drinks. So there ain't no shops around here. So I think I'll be heading off home now. Put my feet up and have my last can of energy drink. I might have to go out and get some shopping later, get some more drinks. I'm running out. Well, I've run out actually. Got no more drinks indoors at all, apart from a little bit of squash, and that's it. So yeah, I'll go home, have a rest for half hour, then get up and go and do a bit of shopping and get some more drinks and some food. So I've run out of food as well. Right, that's it for now. Yeah, I'm not going to do a comment where the funfair was a few weeks back. I'll probably do that later in the week. But for now, I'm off. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll catch you on the next one. This is Steve signing off. Bye for now.